Welcome to our Countertop Ice Maker Showdown. Today we're diving into a comparison between the Silonn Ice Maker and the Ecozy Nugget Ice Maker. If you're looking for the perfect ice machine for your home or bar, you've come to the right place. We'll be examining their features, ice types, and overall performance to see which one truly stands out. Let's get started. The Silonn Ice Maker produces classic bullet-shaped ice, which is hard and ideal for quick chilling. In contrast, the Ecozy Nugget Ice Maker offers soft, chewable nugget ice, which many users prefer for its texture and ability to cool drinks quickly. This difference in ice type can significantly affect your beverage experience, especially if you enjoy cocktails or soft drinks. When it comes to pricing, the Silonn Ice Maker is an affordable option at just $109. Making it accessible for most consumers. On the other hand, the Ecozy Nugget Ice Maker is priced at $199, reflecting its premium features and higher capacity. This price difference is crucial for budget-conscious buyers who want to make an informed decision. In terms of daily ice production, the Silonn Ice Maker can produce up to 26 pounds of ice in 24 hours, which is sufficient for small gatherings. However, the Ecozy Nugget Ice Maker outperforms with a capacity of 33 pounds daily, making it the better choice for larger parties or frequent entertaining. This higher output can be a game-changer for those who need a steady supply of ice. In conclusion, both the Silonn and Ecozy Ice Makers have their strengths. The Silonn is perfect for those seeking speed and affordability, while the Ecozy caters to users who prioritize ice quality and higher volume. Whichever you choose, both machines will enhance your beverage experience. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.